Hello and welcome to another edition of Silo Design Solutions Tips and Tricks. Today we're going to cover how to tell the difference between a cloud project and a non-cloud project. So first of all, when you have your program open, this is Revit 2018.2, if you see in your recent files anything that has this blue cloud, this will allow you to tell you that it is a BIM 360 project. Now, if we have over this other one, you notice that it says the C drive. So if you open the open process where you can select your files, you'll notice that you also have BIM 360 button over here in your shortcuts. This will allow you to open any cloud-based project that you have ongoing in your file. Let's go ahead and open this one here. Everything looks and works the same as it is opening. And you'll notice that it does have a little bit different opening dialog box there. So you notice that the communicator or the C4R for Revit is opening as well when you are working in that cloud-based environment. This will allow you to speak with other people in the chat. You can email everybody in the project, and you can set up your settings as well. I hope this has helped you out a little bit. Thank you for your time. You have a good day.